Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to appear offline on Instagram. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Instagram application and then tap your profile at the bottom right corner. Now, what you're going to do here in settings and activity, you have to scroll down because you can see different options right here. But what you're going to do is to simply look for messages and reply. So in order to see that, you have to scroll down here and then you can see messages and story replies, how others can interact with you. Tap this one and you will see this show activity status. So who can see you're online? Tap this one and what you're going to do next is to toggle this one off or turn this one off. So allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or currently active on. So I'm going to open my other Instagram account. And then I'm going to see if I appear or if I can see Instagram status. So I'm going to message my other account. I'm going to say hi and let us see if this friend of mine or my other account can see my activity status on Instagram. So let me log in first and then log into my other account and here it is. So as you can see, it doesn't show my activity online status. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.